bananas, go, bananas, go, bananas, Mr. Pisang bananas.
Today we are cooking pork
Binagoongan.
Pork binagoongan.
Ooh.
Even the pronunciation is difficult. Ooh. This is the ingredients. Prepare your pork meat. The more fat, the better it is. Jajang! Oh, shit. Jajang. All
First
prepared on the table. The red onion, garlic, black pepper, tomato, belacan,
Alamang.
yeah, alamang, beef cube, eggplant, MSG. Goodbye, I'm going with this ingredient. For the recipe, we need to cut the meat into smaller pieces. Yes?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Like this. After finish cutting the pig, and then
This is the time that we boil the meat, an hour.
because our meat is frozen.
No. Oh. I will not surrendering this.
Oh no! Remove the bad fat.
So this is one of the ingredients. Put some pork cube.
We add pork cube to the boiling meat.
Add some pork cube.
Come on, yo. Like that.
We boil the meat for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, put the cubes and then we wait again for 30 minutes.
30 minutes to go, let's go. Boom. That's how you release your stress.
Oh no. Oh, I cut my nail.
Oh, that's good.
That's good.
And here comes the main ingredient, eggplant. Grab, look at the face.
Eggplant is already prepared.
So it's been like 50
Holding the-
minutes in the boiling process. You don't need to add more water, you don't need, because that's how it's supposed to be. Prepare your second pan. Heat your pan.
After boiling the meat for 1 hour, you can kill the fire.
Yes. Absolutely gone all the water from earlier. Heat your pan first, then you add oil.
This is the secret oil.
So we'll wait for the oil to become hot. And the oil said, wait a minute. Cut tomato. Here it is. Oh, shit. Baliw. Crazy.
I'm so baliw.
Yeah.
Put out the flour. This is very masarap. Yeah.
Something wrong with him, guys. I'm sorry for that view. So how's the test? You happy?
Yeah.
So quarter, you cut. So there you go. That's how you cut tomato. Time to cook. Let's go. Red onion first. Brown it is. Whoa, amazing. And the second one, the garlic.
The garlic.
Whoa, amazing. The smell is wonderful. We'll start with the alamang. Salty shrimp. Salted shrimp fry.
Belacan.
Yes, which is alamang.
Full.
Prepare for the oil. It will get, you know, like firecracker popping up out and here and there. Filter out your pork. Removing the excess soup out from the pork meat into the pan. Put the tomato. Ta-dang. Since you didn't add any water in it, just oil, so you need to mix and stir everything quickly.
And this is the time.
Black pepper grinder. Professional like Gordon Ramsay. Since the beginning, the fire turn it high. We need to make everything quick. I'm sneezing out of the black pepper.
When I boil the meat with pork cubes.
Do not throw your leftover soup because we're gonna mix it now. Secret, do not tell this to anyone. turn the fire to the medium now.
We can, medium the fire now. This is the time that you put the eggplant.
Talong. Put the eggplant inside with love.
With love.
Yes. We'll wait for 10 minutes. Lower a little bit of your fire. We might need to add water. We'll add hot water
To balance the taste.
A little amount will do. Don't worry.
Hindi pa masyadong luto yung talong. What's your name?
With only the smell, you already forget everything because everything is in heaven. This is the time to put the MSG, just a little amount. You need to test it to make sure it perfectly suits your standards.
Eto na siya, guys.
Tikiman time! Add chili if you love spicy. Those chili lover out there, super masarap. Pork binagoongan.
Pork binagoongan.
Binagoongan.
Pork binagoongan.
Na.
Pork binagoongan.
Can I try it?
Pork binagoongan.
Ngan.
Is it nice?
Chinchang masisok.
Oh.
Oh.
Thank you for appreciation.
Macam sadap dyan ko tamba nasi ni.
Masisok.
Mo.
Sadap.
Dadap.
Masarap.
Are you not kidding? Is it is it Hanos? Hanos, masarap. Thank you so much.
Maybe you need to eat rice.
She's surprised.
Sila, I don't want to eat, but maybe it's nice.
Kainan time.
Lamun time.
What is lamon?
To eat like pig.
Cyrus.
Oh,
Lamon.
okay. Lamon time.
Sarap din yun.
Oh, can you try this? And
It's okay, you just,
do you have this in Philippines?
and then,
Cyrus, can you try this?
chopstick.
This is
you
the-
cannot use chopstick.
This is the first time.
Wait.
I know how to use. Oh no.
You know how? Oh.
Oh, okay.
This is Tuhau from Sabah. Let's Cyrus from the Philippines try it. Funny.
Maasim. Manghang. Spicy? No. But I like it.
Mix taste. Spicy,
Spicy,
sour.
Manghang na maasim. Pero masarap.
Masarap. This is the binagoongan.
If you come to Sabah, you can ask for it if you wanna try it. This is our local favorite. You can eat this just with the rice. Original from Sabah. Only our.
In Sabah.
Yeah, because our people made it. Yeah, we call it Tuhau.
Macam masuk terus ada sama.
Serius? Oh.
Terus sikit.
Tikiman pork binagoongan.
So what's the taste of our recipe? Is it nice?
Daging masarap. Amazing. No kidding.
I think you say that because of you
No,
are
no.
in front of the
No,
camera.
this is not about camera. This is about, masarap. And this is a Tuhau. All the way from Sabah, Malaysia. By my friend. Tuhau.
Hindi pa nila natempan yung sinigang mo.
Sinigang, yeah.
So we change the recipe.
Yeah.
I teach you, if you meet from Sabah, you just tell like this. House! Like this. House!
Out.
You tell, okay. You know about that.
Out.
House! Like
Out.
Thirsty for the beer.
Out. Out.
Okay, okay. Finish.
Ow.
Oh.
Cinta.